Here's how to take a rubric you may have saved in Word or elsewhere and make it suitable for Canvas. I start by opening ChatGPT, and then I get ready to prepare my instructions for the ChatGPT chat window by opening a new Word document. I navigate to Canvas. Here's my sandbox. I'm going to go down to assignments. You can either have an assignment that you want to add a rubric to or create one. I have a sample QEP assignment for rubric creation and embedding. So you want to click the plus sign that says rubric. I delete this first row because I don't want it to show up once I import my rubric. I want to say that I'm going to use this assignment for rubric, this rubric for assignment grading. I'm going to call it the QEP rubric. Next, I want to click Import Details. Before I try to put the details in here, I want to download the sample file. This is very helpful. Here you can see the sample file, and I've highlighted it because I'm getting ready to copy it into the Word document I talked about preparing for the ChatGPT chat box. So here is my Word document. I start with a prompt. I talked to ChatGPT like I'm talking to a graduate assistant. Could you help me convert this rubric into a CSV format for Canvas import? I'll provide the sample formatting along with the rubric itself. Please organize it with thesis, organization, formatting, and style as the rows, and use excellent, good, fair, and poor as the column. Thanks so much. And actually, I have an error here because I forgot to add mechanics. Okay, then the next part is the copied in part from the Notepad document that I downloaded. Next, what I would copy in is the QEP rubric, which let me show you that. Here it is. So you just make sure that you copy the whole thing. And then in the big Word document, I have already pasted it in. So now what I'm going to do is copy all of this. And the reason I don't do it one by one in ChatGPT is because I tend to end up sending ChatGPT to do things before I'm ready to do it. So this is just an easy way for me. Now I'm going to copy all those instructions that I formatted in Word into it. And I'm going to give it the directions. It'll take a minute to analyze. Okay, so when I've done this before, it often just has a code to copy, but this has download the Canvas rubric CSV. So let's do that. And this is nice. It's already in an Excel format. So this is nice. It's put everything in an Excel for us. I'm going to copy not the top column titles, but just thesis, organization, formatting, style, mechanics, and all the descriptions and ratings. So I've got that copied. Here we are back in Canvas, back at that import rubric details box. Here's where I paste all the formatting. Just leave it however it is spaced. Click import, and there you go. We've got the thesis with the description for the criteria. We've got the ranges of the ratings. We've got the description for excellent, good, fair, and poor, and the amount of points available. And again, like I said, make sure you say use this rubric for assignment grading if you want it to be embedded and or attached to the assignment. What's nice is that when you go to grade the assignment and you can click on the rubric to add the points and also add comments, later, once you've graded, let's say 20 papers using this rubric, you can pull that data and look at how overall the class did on each piece of criteria. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope this is helpful. Take care.